Hello YouTube, this is just a short update in case you saw my previous video about this L bracket, which was not even at a 90-degree angle. So to fix that, I took it to my Beltsander. Obviously took it apart first, and let's just show you what I did. It's actually pretty obvious, but nevertheless. All I did is actually ground down the mating side of it to the base. This is what I did, and to do that I used my newly acquired triangle, and upon close inspection it does have imperial inch numbering as well to the millimeters. So I'll see, yes, it helps if you look around the camera or my phone. This is imperial too, so 1 3/4, half, 1/4, and then 1 1/4, and so on. So it's 2.5 inches long. I use this to adjust the table of my belt grinder to 90 degrees, obviously. Took out the screw and then went to grinding down this side, obviously. And now, although the screws are a little bit crooked, just a tiny bit, yes, tiny bit there, I am still getting the 90 degrees now. So let's go toward the middle, inside, not the middle. And I also figured out what the other screws are for. Duh. Should have been obvious. These screws are like rubber. And then I just put it on the table. Let me do it on the edge so I get this angle right. So I just put it at the edge of the table so I can turn it. No, I dropped the Allen key. Okay, so now I got the 90 degrees, otherwise it is pretty much useless. And on my previous video I put on in the description the link and said do not buy. So now I will upgrade it to do buy. If you do this, then you can use it. And the smaller screws they go in here, and those are actually the end stops for the arca plate. So even if it loses, even if it gets loose, the camera won't slide out. Anyway, you get the idea. And the smaller Allen key is for those screws. You have 2 here and 2 here again, because on this side you have an arca Swiss plate type mount as well. But I'm using it this way so I can attach my camera. Let me see if I can get this in there. Yep. To the base plate, to this longer side, and then this on the camera slider. And actually what I do like is with the screws, and these are padded rubber pieces here, which helps so it won't slide. And then I can actually also adjust now the angle my camera is facing. I hope you didn't see me in the reflection of the camera. I am topless because it's warm. So anyway, this is the short update to this cheaper non-CNC machined, non-anodized L bracket, but it will do its job. And by the way, I did complain, of course. I put in a request for refund, and it got granted. So I got this practically for cheap, not cheap, for free, but I had to of course grind down, and it's still not CNC machined and it's not anodized, but I think it's still usable. And so this is the update on this. Don't know where I'm gonna use it, if it's gonna be just this one video or if I'm gonna attach it somewhere. But nevertheless, I also want to thank you to all the backers for my Kickstarter campaign, which is still running. But I want to get in the 5 digits, guys, because I lost so much money on my previous campaigns with all the costs that I had, and I want to make a little bit profit, if I want to be honest, so I can prepare for the next Kickstarter campaign. And let me tell you, advertising is expensive, and so far I could not put any advertising in, but I will in the end. So anyway, this is it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the upcoming videos. My next video will be in German. See you later.